How to center taskbar icons on Windows 10. This tutorial shows you how to move your taskbar icons to the center of the screen. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From there, click on Taskbar Settings to open the taskbar options. At this point, scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. From there, look for Taskbar Alignment and click on the drop-down next to it. After that, select Center from the drop-down options. From there, your taskbar icons will immediately shift to the center of the taskbar. In the next step, close the settings window and check that your icons are now centered at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind, this method works natively on Windows 11, but on Windows 10, the taskbar alignment option may not be available in the same way, since Windows 10 taskbar icons are left aligned by default without a built-in center option. And that's it. If this guide helped you center your taskbar icons on Windows 10, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.